Hello everyone and welcome. Many of friends was telling my Android phone is not supporting Turdmarks and I'm getting much error while installing VS Code. So you all was asking that any way to make it simple or any way to install VS Code without depending on phone, without depending on our Android phone. I will show you how to install VS Code in our browser without depending on our phone. Browser will help you to do that, and this is simple. You have to visit a website and that all things. So let's do it. First open your browser and go and there search for CodeSandbox. I mean, you can visit on codesandbox.io, and here you have to create an account. And this is a simple way you can create an account with Google. I have created. After creating your account, you can visit your dashboard. I'm right now I'm on my dashboard. Now maybe you are asking to me where is VS Code. So don't worry, you have to first create a code space. You can say that code sandbox devbox, you can say that. First create one. I'm creating one, and here you can choose a framework, whatever you want to work with. And finally it is creating. It maybe take some time on. Finally it has been created. So you can see this, you can see all your setup is okay. Finally, you don't have to need any other setup. You don't have to need open folders. Nothing you have to do here. All things is here. Here is terminal, here is file trees, here is editor section, and here is a preview section. You might be thinking this is not looking like VS Code, but you know what gives us VS Code. VS Code give auto completion, AMAT, and many more. So you can also get here auto completion, code suggestion, and many more. You will also get here AMAT. You can say this is all about VS Code. You can use this and you can start your coding. Just I'm writing something and I'm changing some code, and you will see immediately preview. You will see here a URL. You can share with your friends. It is publicly, it is deployed. You don't need to deploy your project anywhere. I'm going to share with you a very best thing about this URL. You can copy this one and you can close this. Just close and you will get full screen of coder. You will get full screen for editing code. So open a new tab, just edit here and see preview here. This is okay. This is a space management. You can use this for space management with your phone. Just come here and start this one, and hope this video help you, and this is going to be well for you. And thanks.